Add-ons are a great way to extend the power of Gravity Forms and help your business achieve its goals. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 tools that enhance your Gravity Forms experience. HubSpot is a powerful CRM that helps you organize your relationships and interactions with leads and customers. With HubSpot, you can organize email lists, send automated drip campaigns, track engagement, nurture relationships, and much more. With the Gravity Forms HubSpot add-on, you can seamlessly integrate your web forms with HubSpot, automatically sending form submission data from your website to your HubSpot dashboard so you can keep track of your contacts. Looking to automate your form-based business processes? Look no further than with Gravity Flow. This powerful automation tool allows you to create automated workflows that are triggered on form submission. Workflows can include email drip campaigns, purchase orders, admission forms, vacation requests, and more. With Gravity Flow, you can easily remove the everyday manual work that can be so time-consuming, replacing it with streamlined processes that run in the background. Mailchimp is one of our most popular integrations, and it's easy to see why. With a wide assortment of features and an extremely user-friendly dashboard, Mailchimp is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful email marketing platform. The Gravity Forms Mailchimp add-on gives you an easy way to integrate all of your online forms with Mailchimp's email marketing service. Collect and add subscribers to your email marketing lists automatically when a form is submitted, helping you to engage your leads and turn them into lifelong customers. If you need to add credit card payments to your forms, Stripe has you covered. Gravity Forms and Stripe have become a natural choice for businesses across the globe, both providing user-friendly setups and service, as well as the security and reliability that is essential for any customer-facing business. With the Gravity Forms Stripe add-on, you can capture one-time payments or set up recurring payment subscriptions. Accept payments via Apple Pay and Google Pay, capture and refund payments from within your WordPress dashboard, allow your customers to self-manage their subscriptions via the Stripe customer portal, and much more. HelpScout is one of the best customer service platforms for small businesses, fast-growing startups, and nonprofit organizations that have a customer-centric approach. Using Gravity Forms, you can easily integrate your WordPress forms with HelpScout's easy-to-use help desk service to provide world-class support to your customers. Accept a customer query on your website through a customer support form, and then filter and manage each submission within HelpScout. With Gravity Forms and HelpScout, you can support your customers and team to ensure everyone is happy. With these integrations, you can extend and enhance your forms and ensure all your business needs are met. For more on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.